Question number 32. In this, we have to find only order of P. Okay. In place of P, you have to find order of P only. So make the correction in this, find order of P. Okay. Now in question 32, we have to find only order of P, not P. This question will be given again in the exercise of inverse of matrices. Then we will find P also. Okay. This is given here by mistake only. Now A, P, B. We have to find the order of P where A, P, B such that BP. BPA is given. And order of A is what? 3 cross 3. Order of B, 2 cross 2. We have to find order of P, let it be M cross N, which we have to find. And order of BPA is also given. It is 2 rows and 3 columns, so 2 cross 3. So B 2 cross 2 and multiplied by P M cross N and multiplied by A 3 cross 3. Clearly, M equals to 2 as B is first matrix, P is second matrix. And when they are multiplied, order of BP will be 2 cross N and A is 3 cross 3. This time N must be 3. So order of P is equal to M cross N, that is 2 cross 3. This is the answer. Next doubt is in question number 34. Question number 34. Find the symmetric and skew symmetric part of the matrix A equals to 1, 2, 4. 6, 8, 1 and 3, 5, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 1. 3, 5, 7. And we have to find its symmetric and skew symmetric part. Symmetric part formula is, you know that formula for symmetric part is half of A plus A transpose, that is half of A is 124 681 357 plus A transpose 124 681 357 equals to half of 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 6 8, 4 plus 3 7, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 8 16, 1 plus 5 6, 3 plus 4 7, 5 plus 1 6, 7 plus 7 14. And now to multiply each element by half. 1 4 7 by 2 4 8 3 7 by 2 3 7. Skew symmetric part, half of A minus A transpose, that is half of A 163 285 417 minus 124 681 357 equals to half of 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 6 minus 4, 4 minus 3 1, 6 minus 2 4, 8 minus 8 0, 1 minus 5 minus 4, 3 minus 4 minus 1, 5 minus 1 4, 7 minus 1 0. Divide by half. Divide by 2 0 minus 2 1 by 2 2 0 minus 2 minus 1 by 2 2 0. If you add these two matrices, one of which is symmetric, check is it symmetric? 147 by 2, 147 by 2. First row and first column are same. Second row 483, second column 483. Third row 7 by 2, 37, 7 by 2, 37, third column, correct. And 0, 0, 0, 2 minus half, 2 minus 2 half, minus 2, yes. So they are the two parts, which one of which is symmetric and other is skew symmetric. If you add these elements, 1 plus 0, 1, which is the first element, 4 minus 2, 2, which is the second element, 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 8 by 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, third element, 6. Okay, so all elements are matching. It means this is the correct answer. And number 36, A is a symmetric matrix. It means that we have to use the conclusion from this. If A is a symmetric matrix, means A transpose equals to A. Then so that B transpose AB is also a symmetric matrix. So how to prove that B transpose AB is a symmetric matrix? That is, if we find transpose of B transpose AB, it will be equal to the same B transpose AB. So we start with LHS. B transpose AB whole transpose, and assume that AB equals to P. So it is then B transpose into P whole transpose equals to, now we know that AB whole transpose equals to B transpose A transpose. So it becomes P transpose into B transpose whole transpose. In place of B, it is P. So P transpose. In place of A, it is B transpose. So B transpose whole transpose. Also, B transpose whole transpose equals to B. So P transpose into B. Again, this P is AB. So in place of P, we write AB whole transpose into B. Now AB whole transpose means B transpose A transpose into B. Again, this A transpose equals to A given in question. S, A is a symmetric matrix. Equals to RHS. Means B transpose AB whole transpose equals to B transpose AB. Hence,